Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Josue. We're here at the Hemi Hustlers Proving Grounds. I just finished installing some new intake manifold gaskets and some new Mopar OEM NGK plugs. This is a 2010 Dodge Challenger. Has 77,000 miles. It's pretty mint. Let me give you a little walk around here. I love this color. My favorite color, B5 blue, hands down. We're gonna do a quick cold start on it. Fire it up with some new gaskets, some new plugs. See how she sounds. Keys. ¿Dónde dejé las llaves? All right, we'll be back on the keys. Ooh, beautiful. She sounds real good. That FLOWMASTER exhaust. She's spitting. We don't need this where we're going. She needs a bath, for sure needs an engine bay detail. Is this satisfying for you guys? Satisfying that no scratches are on the fenders. That's satisfying for me. All the old plugs, old gaskets. Check out the old gaskets. They were non-existent. It's supposed to look like this. They look like that. Non-existent gaskets. This car is so beautiful. If you can't ram, dodge it. Love these headlights. She's idling way better than she was. She sounds healthier. Sounds like she's running on all 8 here. All right. Let's pull her outside real quick. Let's take her outside real quick. Let's see what she looks like in the beautiful sunlight of Arizona. Man, I love this car. Puro SRT, gotta make sure the hood's not gonna hit anything up there. Gotta watch out for our little Civic right here. Make sure we don't hit nothing. love this shifter too, Mopar, baby. Let's do a little walk around. Oh yeah. Damn, this car is sick. Gotta love the B5 Blue, man. I wish my leg was extra long so I could go inside and rev it. Vroom, vroom. We're gonna take it for a short drive here shortly. Make sure our repairs are cold start. Beautiful. We're gonna let her warm up and then we're gonna take it for a spin. Make sure it's all good. Here is our little mid-test drive walk around, so you guys can see how beautiful this car is in the sunlight in our wonderful Arizona desert. Woo. I'm over here driving around with tape on my plates. I forgot. Not my plates, on my client's plates. Woo, car is beautiful, man. Let's give her a rev one time. See what this FLOWMASTER sounds like. Sounds awesome. I'm sure my client will be very happy. Mopar, hold it.
Okay.
Hold it right there. Hopefully you can see the whole part.
Okay.
Right there. Don't move it.